welcome to the world of Pokeanimals.
This is Earth. Where do I get my Rattata?
No. First, you have to learn about evolution.
Oh, great.
Come on out, Fennekin.
Fennekin.
Okay, so look at this.
Fennekin.
Now look.
Fen.
See, it needs to evolve in order to get past this.
Braixen.
Now, Braixen, jump!
Braixen.
See, it adapted to the platforms by getting longer legs.
Wow! Science is so amazing! So, when do we get our Pokeanimals? I want to evolve mine.
Hush, my child. Evolution is a process in which an organism changes its traits to better work in an environment with its natural abilities. Like I said, Fennekin evolved to grow better legs to jump over the platforms, which in nature would help them be able to run from predators by leaping over fallen logs, creeks, and more.
That's nice. So, about our Pokeanimals.
What did I say?
That we have to learn about evolution first.
Anyways, you have heard about fossils, right?
Yes.
Fossils are where we can date back to the first generation of Pokemon. Pokemon Genesect is an amazing example. We have a record of all of the fossils in a computer. We call this a fossil record. It is said to have evolved from the ancient Pokemon Kabutops because of their similar traits, like their head shape, body shape, and more.
Genesect. I think the one that was genetically modified with its DNA?
Well, that's the only part of it. The only thing modified was a coat of armor and a blaster on its back. But yes, it has evolved at a time in its point in existence. They both share a common ancestor.
Another example of evolution is variation. It is different appearances on different organisms, like shiny Pokeanimals. Come on out, Braixen! This color variation was very common back then, but was vivid and bright, allowing other creatures to find it. The color is a trait still, but is very uncommon, and is considered holy to the community.
2,000 Pokédollars for the shiny Braixen? No!
Come on out, Magikarp. This is Magikarp. Magikarp has a move known as Splash and is deemed useless, but from research we learned that this Pokemon used to jump over very tall mountains using this move. This was a trait that never died out and is now useless. These are referred to as vestigial destructors. Also, oftentimes in the wild you will see two different Pokemon battling for food. This is called competition and is when two different species compete for survival. It's a driving force of natural selection.
So, how did the theory of evolution come to be anyways?
Well, it all started with the famous Professor Oak. Traveled to a small island and found many different types of bird Pokemon with similar traits and had different beaks. Observing the birds, he had discovered that each beak matched its diet. For example, Sparrow was found busting open the shell of a seed, and Pharaoh was found digging bugs from the bark of a tree. Sparrows evolve into pharaohs, and their beaks adjust to their diet change. This was not an example of gradualism. Gradualism is the theory that evolution is a slow process, like in Genesect's situation, but the common evolution we witness today is not gradual, like Fennekin to Braixen, or Sparrow to Pharaoh.
Like Rattata to Raticate? So, what happens when Pokeanimals overpopulate, like when a whole bunch are born?
That's overproduction, and can cause issues. That's why some young trainers go out in certain seasons to catch Pokemon, if it's their breeding season. Too many Pokemons in an area can lead to mass starvation because there may not be enough food to support it. They make more Pokemon than will actually survive.
This is so much information.